PicnicHealth gives people like you ownership of your medical records so you can better manage your care. We collect, digitize, and encrypt all of your medical records for you. Then, arrange it all into a secure, intuitive timeline. From original notes and reports to lab results and images, you get a complete view of your health. To better communicate and coordinate your care, you can safely and securely share your medical history with doctors and loved ones. We'll automatically keep your timeline up to date with new visits. Have a new doctor? In the click of a button, notify our team of new appointments or doctors so we can add their records to keep your timeline up to date. Owning and accessing your health records has never been simpler or more secure, and we're ready to help you in your healthcare journey. Sign up today by going to PicnicHealth.com. Or, if you have any questions, we're here for you anytime at help@PicnicHealth.com.